Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everyone, my name is Vinny. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. We have a website, Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Hello Baby English, all one word. It is game time. Let's begin. Today we're doing compound nouns. These are two words or more sometimes, but they always work as a noun. We have one from level 1, one from level 2, and 8 from level 3. So this one is a level 3 puzzle. Number 1. This is something that children like, but parents don't. Video games. To play video games. To like video games. This one is where the bus goes. The path. The bus route. There are many bus stops on the bus route. In this country, there are many private schools and public schools. Please check the dictionary for this word if you don't know what it means. Bob will wrap the sandwich with, this is plastic. You can see through it. It has no color. Saran wrap. And this started as a brand name. You could also say plastic wrap. We always use, this is a bag like this, a plastic bag. You can open it, but then you can close it again. In English, we call these resealable. This is from the verb to seal something. Bob's gotten 2 this month because he drives very fast. This is something you get from the police, and then Bob has to pay a fine. 1 speeding ticket. 2 speeding tickets. Bob's gotten 2 speeding tickets this month. This is something that people buy to show other people how rich they are, how much money they have, like a car. American pronunciation, 1 status symbol. Countable noun. These are plants that are grown for food, and people eat the part that grows under the ground, like potatoes and carrots. Under the ground. Root crops are very important in this country. Jennifer can live here, or she can live in the USA because she has, this is when you are a member of 2 different countries at the same time. She has dual citizenship. She is a dual citizen. She has 2 passports. When we say the food is stone cold, it has nothing to do with a stone. In English, this is called a, sometimes they are metaphors, sometimes we just do it for emphasis. The word stone here is just a figure of speech. See you next time. Bye-bye.